What's up everyone, Josh Marriott here, and in this video I want to explain to you the specific benefits for brand new agents who might be interested in joining me at EXP Realty. Now there's a lot of videos floating around about EXP, but honestly most of those videos are focusing on more experienced agents, or at least agents in production, showing them all the cool opportunities and amazing things at EXP. For example, being able to earn your entire cap back in stock may be really cool, but the brand new agents aren't focused on that yet. They're more interested in three things I figured out: training, mentorship, and coaching. So let's go over those three things. Let's start with training. This is our calendar of live training events. Look at the sheer volume of classes being offered. In one day, that's probably like 30 classes. The next day we have like 20, then another 30, maybe 15. But just look at this volume. I challenge you to find another brokerage that's offering this massive volume of live classes. And what's really cool about the classes at EXP is that you're learning from top producers across the entire country. You're not limited to your direct market center. So a lot of brokerages, they might have a large franchise, but you're really only learning from the agents that are in your office. For example, there's no agents in your office that are amazing at social media. You'll never learn about social media. Whereas here, we have agents across the country that are amazing at everything. So whenever you want to learn something, you can learn that through a top producing icon agent at EXP. And on that note, these icon agents are getting paid in stock bonuses to teach these classes. So further down the road, when you do become a top producer, you can get paid in stock to teach classes and share what you know. We also have hundreds of pre-recorded classes on demand. So if you can't make a live class for whatever reason, or you just want to take them after hours, or you want to knock them all out in a row back to back, you can do that on demand. So this is our on-demand library. You have classes from Grant Cardone. If you're not familiar with him, he's an amazing person to learn from. We have the Fast Start series, which are dedicated for new agents clearly. If you click on this, you can see all the classes in the Fast Start series on demand that you can take back to back if you wanted to, just knock them all out and get into production faster. We also have the Icon series on demand. So the Icon series, these are classes that are taught by our Icon agents. Our Icon agents are what we call our top producers. These agents are being paid $4,000 stock bonuses to teach these classes. So they're really high level classes. We also have the Excel series. This is the next level after getting through Fast Start to excel at the business. And then we have the Attraction series. This is if you're interested in attracting other agents. There's 3 live classes a week, and there's lots of pre-recorded classes that you can take on demand. We have AXP Latino. We have the Partner Training Library. We even have commercial. Yes, we have commercial. Another major benefit you get when you join me at EXP is you get access to my training. You get access to 2 other private Facebook groups and their trainings that are part of our organization. So it's not just you going at it alone. You're going to have access to tons of training opportunities, more than you can possibly imagine. Up next on our list of importance for the brand new agents is mentorship. You do get a local top producing mentor to be your lifeline. They will be your lifeline for the first 3 transactions to walk you through anything and everything you need help with. If you can't figure out how to write a contract, you can call your mentor. If you can't figure out how to open a door or how that works, you call your mentor. How do you do this? How do you do that? The thing with EXP is the resources are there, but as a brand new agent, you don't know where to find them. So having that person, that direct line of contact to help you find things is of utmost importance. And then last on the list is coaching. Coaching is something that I personally provide my agents. I love to talk to my agents. The more the agents call me, the more money they make. And I'm an open book. I'm here to help you. I was Rookie of the Year. I want you to be Rookie of the Year too.